القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Okay, we are going to cover the lesson of specifically of idgham without Ghunnah and idgham with Ghunnah. Okay, so as mentioned previously, when we do the practice, the ra lam does have no Ghunnah, and these all have Ghunnah at the end. So we look at this specifically now. Okay, so the idgham without the Ghunnah occurs when the final noon, whether it's noon sakin or in the tanween, is fully assimilated into the sound of the next letter. Okay, this full assimilation occurs in two of the idgham letters, and that is a ra and lam. Okay, this was covered of course in the previous video. A lam going into another lam also results in the assimilation with a Ghunnah. Okay, so as we know, for example, from the first lesson of idgham, the lam into the lam is idgham and there is no Ghunnah. Okay, the noon going into the lam or the noon going into the ra occurs with no Ghunnah. Right? So if there's an idgham where the letters are the same and they're not of noon or meme, then they are without Ghunnah. And even if they are with noon or meme, noon sakin, they go into the ra and the lam, then they are without Ghunnah. However, the remaining idgham letters are read with a Ghunnah, and a Ghunnah occurs when being assimilated into the next letter. So this occurs with the ya, noon, meme, and waw. So we know the noon and the meme are Ghunnah letters anyway. Okay, so that should be said without any assumptions. However, with the ya and the waw, we have to add the Ghunnah into there. We have to add the Ghunnah. من يعمل مالا وعدده. So you can see in these examples there's a Ghunnah. So you should practice this. There's a number of, or in fact let's practice this together. This is من يقل. We'll do each one 3 times. من وجد من مال من نعمة أليس. So this is without Ghunnah. أليس. This is without Ghunnah. من ربك طلع نضيد. Okay. نفس لنفس. This actually shouldn't be here, but anyway. غفور رحيم. سحر يؤثر. So we can see there's a Hamza sitting on a waw. So the kursi, the seat of the waw. So this is a Hamza. سحر يؤثر. عذاب واصب. سحر مبين. عجبا يهدي. مالا وولدا. قمرا منيرا قمرا منيرا قمرا منيرا. So now that you should practice that together. We should go over it a couple of times. Now if you have a look, the ya, the waw has no shadda, mim has a shadda, noon has a shadda, lam has a shadda, ra has a shadda. So you can see that in all of the examples. Okay, so waw and ya, waw has no shadda. So you should learn them very well and just recognize them as they come in the mushaf. We've got some more practice here. This is specifically with the types of tanween. عذابا نكرا عذابا نكرا عذابا نكرا مالا لبدا مالا لبدا مالا لبدا. So although it seems as if the lam is being merged into the lam with this one, actually it's the noon, okay, which is being assimilated into the lam, because this tanween has a noon at the end in it. So this is not the lam being merged into the lam, this is the noon sakin within the tanween which is being merged into the lam. It's a technical aspect, okay. مالا لبدا مالا لبدا. Go to the next one. أخذة رابية أخذة رابية أخذة رابية. Next one. يومئذ يود يومئذ يود يومئذ يود. So you can see the hamza is sitting on its kursi. نوح وعاد نوح وعاد نوح وعاد. ضلال مبين ضلال مبين ضلال مبين. شيء نكر شيء نكر شيء نكر. Next one. بأخ لكم بأخ لكم بأخ لكم. Next one. ثمرة رزقا ثمرة رزقا ثمرة رزقا ثمرة رزقا. So now that you have done this, the فتحتين, the كسرتين, and the فتحتين and the كسرتين. No examples of ضمتين. Okay, examples of ضمتين have been done here. Okay, that's here and here and here. Fair enough, that's fine. So you should go into this, read this to your teacher, and your teacher gives you authorization, you can move on. Now, of course, you should go and do your own free practice. We're going to look at these in the mushaf and find examples yourself. And inshallah, in the next video, we'll cover another type of idgham.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Assalamu alaikum. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.